Lesson 3, Procedures. Congratulations on completing Lesson 2. Now that you have mastered the process for dusting, you are ready to master the second strategic function, which is procedure. Procedure teaches us which product, tool, and action you use to clean a particular area or item. This is the other 50% of dusting. Using the correct tool and action along with the process you just learned will guarantee you leave every area and item clean and shining in the time allotted for dusting. Many areas and items use different tools and actions to give the best results. And another but equally important reason for using the correct tool and action is to prevent breakage and damage while performing your work. Breakage and damage is very expensive and does not normally leave a happy client or a tip. As a cleaner, you have the most important role in this company, delivering our service to our clients. In this third lesson, you will learn the procedures followed at this company to execute the dusting of a home. You now have Lesson 3 sitting in front of you, which is a training manual that teaches you our procedures at this company. You will learn about your dusting products, tools, and actions, and what tools you carry in your cleaning apron. You will also learn what it means to wipe, rub, scrub, and scour a particular item or area like a picture, a shelf, or a windowsill. There's a lot of material covered here, so again, please pay attention, understand what is expected of you, and ask questions if you do not understand. Your final lesson, Lesson 4, is a quiz covering the process and procedures you are about to learn. Be sure that you understand and have retained what you are learning in this lesson before you ask for Lesson 4. When you are ready, I will see you for the quiz.